Ice cream lovers, welcome here. Nice to have you down here at the Scoop School facility. In this session, Scoop School session, look, it wouldn't be able to be brought to you if it wasn't for the crew up at Green Mountain Flavors. You got Stan Sitwell, you got Laura Livingston. I don't know how many employees have the same letter as their first name as their last name, but it's pretty well 100% ratio when you look at Stan and Laura. Anyway, makers of all natural color, all natural flavors, very unique flavors. We used a sage extract the other day. Fantastic. Reach out to Stan or Laura at Green Mountain Flavors. The link's right down here. You can just click on it, and while you're there, tell them that I said hello. Okay, so this is a question now that's been coming up quite often, not only in ice cream forums and questions into Scoop School, but also just in the general conversation. Is the ice cream and frozen dessert industry recession-proof? Is it pandemic-proof? And the reason why people are asking these questions is because many people in their local neighborhoods saw lines and lines of people at their local ice cream shop last year when it seemed as though the whole world was crashing down. A lot of people found a lot of comfort in ice cream, and so I guess, general answer is no. I don't think any business is recession-proof or pandemic-proof. However, I do think that there are things that make having ice cream as a family a lot more affordable, easy, local than it is doing other things. So when you take into consideration the effect that either a calamity like the pandemic or even just severe financial hardship happens in this country, anywhere around the world can happen, that people are stopping from traveling, people are stopping spending money on exotic vacations and trips to Disneyland, that kind of thing, but they are looking at more affordable, what you call staycations. Now, a staycation is where you're kind of picking things to do in and around town, and ice cream certainly is one of them. And this is why I talk all the time about who is your competitor if you are in the ice cream business, because it's not just other ice cream businesses, it's actually anywhere else where a family can go and spend, I don't know, $20 or $30 and have a really good time, share some memories, connect with one another over a treat, a meal, or an activity. Ice cream seems to fit all of those bills. So yes, ice cream shops can do very, very well when times are tough because people stay local, they want to have a bit of a stress relief, a bit of a treat, they want to keep the expenditure low, and all of those elements, I guess, fit the bill of a trip to the ice cream shop. What you can do as an ice cream shop owner is make sure that your business is flexible and nimble enough to be able to offer your products, your sundaes, pints, quarts, shakes, pies, and other things to your customers in their restrictions. So if there's a restriction on finance, if there's a restriction on travel, if there's a restriction on this or that, how nimble is your menu to get that spoon into people's mouths? And if you can, then yes, ice cream businesses can do very, very well in times of financial stress, pandemic stress, that kind of thing. Recession-proof? I don't think so. But can you do very well? Absolutely. And I don't want to paint basically a brush on the whole industry, but more than half of the ice cream stores that I spoke to last year had better years than many previous years. So it shows you if you can get the spoon in people's mouths and people are now limiting travel, limiting expenditure, then a trip to the ice cream store certainly is affordable, enjoyable, and scrumdiddlyumptious. So that's all we have time for. Again, thank you to Stan Green Mountain Flavors for helping us bring this video content to you. And if you have a question like this one, or maybe, look, send in a question about life, parenting, relationships, we'll answer them all. We'll do the ice cream ones first though. Leave a comment down below, hit like, hit subscribe, keep on scooping, and we'll see you in the next video.